at the dot. This is Unidentified Trucker coming to you guys with another video with the snapback. So as you can see, checking the surroundings, we're right in front of a shop at bay number 2. So for the people who know these colors, you already know where I'm at. That right there, my friend, is a dead giveaway. Seemed like nobody want to work, but we in here. Miles is 6:39.55 right now. So if you guys out there on the road, hopefully you're driving safe as safe can be. Watching out for all the smart people. Fresh out the truck, fresh out the cake. See you on another one.
We're